What you see behind me are a bunch of really large hexagonal plots that have been fragmented down to different sizes. And that fragmentation is meant to simulate the types of fragmentation that humans are enacting on prairie landscapes across the Great Plains region. And so this experiment is designed to study the effects of fragmentation on plant communities. And it's also got a seed addition treatment to simulate a potential restoration technique. Each of the fields has 32 of these hexagonal plots, anywhere from 100% intact, which means we did nothing to the plot area. It's about 800 meters squared, down to about 8 meters squared, where we destroyed 99% of the entire area. And so we've done that via a combination of applying mulch and tilling it, and this was freshly tilled yesterday, so this is like as fragmented as it gets. One of the cool things that we're able to study in these prairies is we're able to study how those plants are blooming across the growing season. So like if you have all of your plants blooming in spring, that's not going to be very good for pollinators that are emerging in the fall or need to store up resources for the winter. If you're a bee, it's kind of like going to a cafeteria and you have multiple options every day, as opposed to like you have one option or the cafeteria is just like closed for a week. What my research is doing is it's helping us to understand how like human impacts are changing biodiversity, which can hopefully help land managers make better decisions regarding like which species to plant or when to plant them or how often to plant them. And potentially that could then help to boost pollinator biodiversity.